Introducing synthetic fuel.
Look at the go on that Lamborghini! Man alive! What a machine. These synthetic fuels, they're pretty big news at the moment. The fuel that's in this car was the brainchild of genius Formula 1 engineer Paddy Lowe, so I am literally Paddy powered, but in the right way.
What very clever engineers like Mr. Lowe have managed to do is create a petrol made not from oil, but from carbon dioxide captured from the air and hydrogen extracted from water. The result is a fuel that, when burned, emits only the CO2 that was extracted to make it in the first place. So, as long as you're using green electricity to power production, it is completely carbon neutral.
And the really good thing about this is it'll work in any petrol car, no matter how old or how new. You can even mix it with your regular fuel. It's absolute genius.
And it might just save some of these old dinosaurs from extinction.
Oh, they say the Aventador will be the last Lamborghini without electrical assistance. The last free-breathing pure V12. And just listen to that noise! 759 horsepower!
This new GT3 just ticks all the boxes. Flat 6, normally aspirated, revs to 9,000 RPM.